Hi YouTube viewers, we are with a very special guest today. It is none other than JetBlue man, and this is going to be a first ride on the Stillwell at Coney Island down R160 Ftrain. There's the map. There he is looking at the map. There he's looking out the window. Hey, no leaning against the doors, JetBlue. There. That sign, not leaning on doors. You have to follow the rules, JetBlue man. Huh?
This is Carroll Street. Transfer is available to the G train.
Coney Island, Stillwell bound express train. The next stop is 4th Avenue, 9th Street. Now we get to go outside, JetBlue man.
For service to Split 9th Streets, transfer at Carroll Street with a B57 bus running along Court Street.
Whoa, this is cool. I know, JetBlue, this is cool.
61 bus running along 9th Street.
We are passing the Smith and 9th Street station, which is being redone. There's the BQE. Do not get stuck here. It says JetBlue man. This is my JetBlue airplane model. Lowe's is down there. And unfortunately that does not have an elevator. And if it did, it would probably be no more than a Schindler. is looking out the window. Ma, can I get a view of the train leaving, Mom? Sorry about the stupid delays.
This is 4th Avenue, 9th Street. Transfer is available to the R train.
Ma, this is us, Mom. As you can see, I have a JetBlue man. And he's going to be our new special guest when we film elevators and trains.
This is a Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound F Express train. The next stop is 7th Avenue.
Wait for me, Ma, so our train can leave. Yeah, we're taking the R, Ma.
Ladies and gentlemen, because of construction, this train is being held momentarily. We apologize for any inconvenience.
F to Coney Island all times, which is not true. It goes to Kings Highway during rush hours. G to Church Avenue all times. Next stop, 7th Avenue, skips 15th Street, Prospect Park, 4 Hamilton Parkway. Wait for me, Ma! Look at that, that's not good. What? There comes the G, okay, now that's it.